Yeah, this for all the hoes. Excuse my language. This for all the bitches.
Shouts out Mama Johnson.
Hell no, I can't dance, but I can't gangsta walk. Can't romance cause I hate to talk. Ain't stacking no bands, can't relate to y'all. Hell no, I can't dance, but I can't take it, bro. You making no cake with stanky drums. I can show y'all what it tastes to ball. I can't do what the fuck you said, I don't know, but I can't want to stare. While I throw up my cool set with a middle finger up, screaming fuck you head. No, I can't dance, but hope I could get you wet. We can make a video, put your titties on a hoe cassette. Back with the cheeks, slapping the beats. Shogun, I never go acting discreet. Telling the hoe that I love her while texting the hoe while I sit in her passenger seat. Hell no, I can't dance, but I be clapping them cheeks. Hi, I'm Shogun, and I'm an addict, and I'm addicted to tattoos, tequila, toxic relationships. I had the boo, used to see it, now I hate that bitch. Ass on my white beater when she shake them hips. I had to think of how to leave her and go make it rich. Fuck her kids, hit the freezer, stole they than the most. She sucked the dick in the Beamer, almost crashed the hoe. I drink the beer, police stations where I never that though. 3 years probation cause I smacked the hoe. Went to court in some Crocs and a button up. That bitch reported to the cops about the uppercut. That hoe so poor, top the block for a couple bucks. I told that whore and the cops both to suck my nuts.